Let's talk about Kind as tool for running local Kubernetes cluster using those Docker container nodes. So here we can find quick start. Here is installation. We can use binaries. Here is for Linux, for Macs, for PowerShell. This is way. So you firstly download, then change to directory in your path. So probably you can change it to kind, right here, C kind, and etc. But easier way is to, here is for Mac, for Windows, we can use Chocolatier. So let's open again our PowerShell in administrator mode. Let's paste that command. Let's copy it. Copy and paste. Choco install Kind. Task us to install. So we can define A to all. Yes, to all. So we have installed everything, so we can try to use Kind. So it shows command. So okay. So let's try to create a cluster. Kind create cluster. Error during connect. Docker, it want to see the run Docker. So open. So I run Docker. So now we can repeat command and it start creating node cluster. So it already work. Let's try to run command. Coordinates is now running. Here is Kubernetes control pane. Running. So let's try to open this control pane in our browser. So here it is, advanced, proceed, so we can see our pane. So next we can work with our cluster. To delete cluster, we can find here is packages, kind, here it is. So Choco install Kind, Choco install Kind. So that's what you want.